3.3, the scientists collected the bees using a method that was ethical and allowed them to be identified accurately, to identify which species they belonged. Okay, so why did it need to be ethical? This is the idea that they don't want to harm the bees. They mustn't harm them. They must also allow the bees to be released unchanged. In order to allow them to be identified accurately as the species to which they belonged, they want a suitable explanation where they can see a close examination. So the idea that you could potentially use a key to identify the species, or you could use photographs or specimens to identify them, or a way where you can closely examine certain characteristics of those bees in order to examine them without causing any harm. But there must be a bit of detail in the experiment about how you're going to do that. So maybe you're going to measure the height and the width, you might measure the wing size, you might look for certain colours, you might look for certain characteristics in their banding, but you need to give some close examination.